How do bonus wheel spacers affect handling? Whether it's because you have added big tires or just desire to widen your car stance, you have concluded that the wheel spacers are the most cost-effective way to do the trick for you, and will solve your fit dilemma. Bonus manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wheel resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal performs good mechanical properties. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher. For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time. Bye bye.